Talk 93, What to do in case of a serious accident. In our safety talks, we often speak about prevention. If we could stop every accident before it begins, many worries would disappear. But sometimes, serious accidents still happen. So today, let's talk about what to do in case of a serious accident. Our first concern must always be the injured person. Think of a car accident. The first question is always, was anyone hurt? That same principle applies here. The first step is first aid. If you know the basics, you know what to do. First aid provides comfort to the victim. It also prevents further injury. Do not rush to move the injured person. Do not allow others to move them quickly. After first aid, follow the emergency plan. Once the victim is in medical care or at the hospital, there are other steps. Some must be taken immediately. Sometimes, accidents create new dangers. Damaged equipment can cause fire, electric shock, or traffic hazards. Make sure these risks are controlled. Keep others away until maintenance or fire crews take over. Next, notify the office right away. This is essential. A full accident report is required. The insurance company must be informed. The doctors and the victim's family must be notified. Keep key details in mind: the victim's name and address, the time and location of the accident, the type of injury, and what first aid was given. Was the victim taken to the hospital or sent home? Remember, there is only one positive outcome from an accident: the chance to learn how to prevent the next one. That is why investigations are done. That is why insurance may ask questions. The goal is not to blame anyone. The goal is to gather facts. Facts help us correct problems and avoid future accidents. Every serious injury creates much extra work: reports, notifications, and investigations. But there is only one way to avoid it all. Do everything possible to prevent accidents.